30. I win the passports. I win the passports. Sports. I win the passports. I win the passports. Sports. I win the FM. I win the passports. 95.5.
Right. Ebusia 95.5 FM so enie. Ewe ya transe ye ko agoprama so. Agudie mu nsam ene de ba ene efiada na efiada dura onum se bibia wombi. Efiada dura bibia ewombi elam se fiada ni gie no memenda ne kwasiada nyina gina fiada. Ti na ko efiada ti yen kofi fo no fiada fo no Friday bonds no ni gie na chance den ti upe umpe fiada na ede enti yebehwe ensam ahoto a yabobo no a yede eba na ene eye Lucas fisem ko a ena yede ba yenko amanone emfa ensembia emfiri ho emma de se ebia bibi bowuram putupru dia by Friday bia do dia yede fisem ahoto a yabobo no ena eba na ekoba ne se a na yewuram ewo transfer stories ahoto a eba transfer stories a eba na ya share clubs and preparations are one be ye and then the House of Folk as I resume you was on breaking mantie no na almost I resume na ye be share House of Folk signings House of Folk transfers num a free coaching e be see players ni nyina no ye be share e hom ensam kakra Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye be kokro bia Asante Kotoko akache na ya share players a womo no mo apart ways players omo ba coaching hon sensem afera stories e fi krobia ebe nyina no ye be hwe ho ensem kakra na fe ya hwe baby any gold stars and I'm say the league champions almost no preparations are omo ye signings out do omo ye de be Africa any hon komo any ade nyina no ye be hwe ene ye be nkompa ko echi ni ahwe league no abajafo be assess league no e de amayen Ghana ye league no uwe a saying the city e obeka saying obema saying so far say this season said the name I call ye and some ede ema mu nyina no na mo ahwe ho ensem kakra krasa enti ebedi mu nkomo ne fiade yi ne ama kwan na so afra kire wadwen the Black Queens of Ghana so no ye ne demand chi ye pa and I'm say man football no ya na efe enti AFCON no e man de no enso e baso den Ghana ye prepare your team no na bibia ye kama yakopiem e Morocco eti yɛbɛhwɛ ɛho nsɛm kakra na afei yɛahwɛ team no preparation a wɔn ɛyɛ Ghana mmaa no bɔɔl no ɛnya asɛm ketewa koraa nam sɛ mmaa no deɛ yɛne di wɔn akyi paa hwɛ wɔn performance de nneɛma ɛnso esi ɛkɔ ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom eti ɛnyɛ no nkoa ne nsɛm ahodoɔ a ɛno nso ɛba dodoɔ na ɛwɔ akyire a yɛaboaboa no a yɛde bɛba na afei U17 ɛnso yɛbɛhwɛ wɔn ho nsɛm kakra na ne nyinaa no yɛde ama mo ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom na nkɔmɔ no yɛama kwan na nso wafrɛ kyerɛ wadwen ɛde aba dwumadie kakraka yi sɛbsia aha yɛ ahwenepa 95.5 ɛso ɛnie yɛatena sɛ bɛsɔre so na ɔmiɛnsa na ɛfie da ɛyɛ agodie mu nsɛm ɛna yɛde ɛba medin ɛde anti kofi amponsa GH yɛatena se owura Evans ɛwɔ ha kriw no nyinaa yɛ set ɛti yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ ne na afei yɛahwɛ nsɛm ahodoɔ a ɛno nso ɛkɔ na afei deɛ ɛba bia no na yɛde ho nsɛm atoatoa so ɛnso ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom deɛ abusua yɛatena se deɛ na sɛ ɛyɛ nkɔmmɔ no ɛna yɛaboaboa no a yɛde ɛbɛsom yɛtiefoɔ ɛnɛ awia yi ɛwɔ dwumadie so nti nyɛ afidie no mfiri atena na ma afidie no ɛna ha yi a yɛatena se a ɛde nkɔmmɔ no ɛnso ɛba bebree abusua 95.5 ɛso nie Club World Cup no nti agya ahonepa 95.5 FM yɛbɛbɔ nkɔmmɔ kakra bi na ne etiawa yɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu yie paa na afei yɛho deɛ ɛkɔ so ɛne adeɛ nyinaa nti abusua bɛdi nkɔmmɔ Astotef no ho nkɔmmɔ no nso no ɛne fie na yɛbɛtim na afei amanfoɔ so ahu deɛ ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ dwa so Astotef no na yɛahwɛ ho nsɛm kakra saa ɛnso ɛde ama yɛtiefoɔ ɛnɛ awie foforɔ aba koraa ɛfiri Astotef no mu ba nyinaa no yɛde ba sisia nti ɛne ɛntra no afei mfɛnsɛm ahodoɔ no so no ɛntoa ɛwɔ fie ne akyirikyiri ne bɛnkyɛ a wɔn nso ɔwɔ biara nti yɛbɛhwɛ na House of Folk ɛne masoakwadu awareɛ no yɛde adu deɛ mɛyɛ sɛ bɛyɛyɛ sɛ Titi Dramani Didi menim sɛdeɛ asɛm no bɛkɔ akɔka anaasɛ sɛdeɛ House wɔbɛka wɔn nsɛm de akyerɛ Maswell Kunadu go Maswell so any place be didn't come a ɔno aka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɔmo kɔ House in the teams bi kura basa players no a ɔmo nkɔɔyɛ ɔmo responding to team foforɔ na ɛfrɛ ɔmo no by nam sɛ coach Maswell Kunadu ɛna ɔmo akasa sɛ ɔmo kɔ House nti na ɔmo twɛn say ɛsɛ Maswell Kunadu yɛn nso yɛ abɔ nkyɛn nti adeɛ no players no ɛbɛkɔ sɛ ni nyinaa no yɛde but House fɔ ntoto ɔmo nneɛma bi wɔnura meetings upon meetings and a course so marathon meeting pa between Didi and Togbe and Titi Titi Dramani yɛbɛhwɛ ɛho nsɛm kakra na afei yɛde ama yɛte for ɛnɛ awie yi ɛwɔ dwumadie so nti na ɔmiɛnsa bɔksɛ kɛn na yɛasɔre so na afei dwumadie nkaeɛ ɛnso atoa so ɛde ama mo ɛwɔ ɛhɔ nom nti abusua yɛatena se owura Evans atena so ɔpɛni ma mema wakɔ aba na mema wɔ ha megye di sapɔm ɛyɛbɔkɔ paa
nankopɔn egu so ebia bɔkɔ paa
yɛde dame ase sɛ biribiara nso ɛyɛ bɔkɔ paa megye sɛ sesei nneɛma gu so a mototo nneɛma sɛ yɛmboa Club World Cup no ahonepa 95.5 FM train no sɛdeɛ Champions League tu kɔpie mu wɔ subu a yɛne nananom a ɛwɔ asubua bafoɔ kwaku fori ɔtɔ so mmienu asubua traditional council nananom unit committee ne boys ne girls a ɔwɔ kurom nyinaa no bɔgye ɛsɔ nyinaa di agorɔ no mewɔ gyidie sɛ bogu nso a ɛho nsɛm no nam mu no biribiara yɛ kama wobɛbɔ nkyerɛmu kakra na amanfoɔ hu na yɛhyɛ ase abɔ nkɔmmɔ kakra
abane yɛda ase na akoa de krataa no kɔ krataa no ɛnɛma no so no de kɔ Samson ɛyɛ na ɔde hyɛ no bɔtom ɛso de gya ha
ɛnɛ yɛ
ana nsɛ ko nanamo yi no akoa de kɔ nti baade yɛnyɛ ne sei na mekae ɛyɛ registrar no Mr. Butwi yes registrar Mr. Butwi on deɛ mekae no na mahene ne ɔba ahema ɛna nti mo a motere yɛnka no srɛ monka nkyɛ yɛasam so mfa deɛ no testing na ade no akɔdi no hɔ nti ɔbane yes nananom ɛwɔ bogu ɔmahene na ɛdi ɔmanim ɛna afei ɛyɛ ahemfo aka nyinaa no
ɔmahene Chidom
hene ɔmahene Chidom hene ɔse sɛ adeɛ no meyi me ho firi mu ɛnyɛ yio mentumi nso nyɛ ho firi because yɛno wa na ɛhyɛ akɔsi ɛbɛhwii nti yɛnkyerɛ ɔmahene Chidom hene afei no wife Emma Miss one powerful bracket. Mama. Ye chia.
Mama do your papa.
Obapa. Me say Friday, Saturday, Sunday ujinem.
Say mama cry be coffee.
Be coffee.
Say what it.
Nencha ye emfante hema obogu.
Fante hema
obogu.
Swagon mama.
Yes.
Man was swag.
I was say e betia pantman go.
Won binya mo fantman
go. Mo pantman go.
No be say o kan wi say be to mo fantman mo si bi o mo yamrewa. Well, maybe I'm not money. Money, man, so money, man, so. We don't be about to man for Cassia and was so. Tomato Cassia and was so. It
do any Jason. As home goes.
And again, because of
who's that? Yankoba Biam was Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
David.
Obogu and first edition about Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
No, cray. It be account.
Who's that? I just say edition be a year, the next edition is a page change the decano.
Yeah.
It's the acquire a Subuano. We did about quarters. Amano, I bigger. Sanity. Yami Adama upon his and said, you know, was a Club World Cup finals near 13th of July next month. And as part of your Juma DSN ABB, do final games there. Ya na common sense no manfo nyina ko kambum koye no. We so ye de ko oye Asante Achim Bogu into Bogu community. E na ye no be di Juma die ya. Ohwe nkro bi atwa Bogu ho hia, omu nyina eba. Ye sha se fidwa so afa nkwantafo. Na kwesi Bogu na afi ebu akokome so. Ene odubi ko saabo tete oyom line no. Na afi aso be fa aso akoban so ofun ase konti enkura atwa Bogu ho hia ne de. Nyame adoma eye 11th 12th and 13th. 11th,
okay.
12th and 13th. 11th is Friday. 12th is Saturday. And 13th is Sunday. As 3 days no. Ninya ni kudu Bogu. Nyame adoma. Na fi ye di dwede na ba. Club World Cup finals. Eni kuyu ho. But enema on say ye call Friday biasa na ya na Friday mashup. Na fi street jams no. Ye. Ni afan live ewa hwenepa. Enti ye ko Bogu 11th na. Enwumre no so pepepe na fi asase. Na live coverage of mashup no from Bogu center ho na fi yasanso in street jams na fi mabawa emrantie emirafo nkwakрафo nkwada nyina no obi aginem na yaya de ne kama se na bibie ye no na fi ye the Friday den best dumienu ekodonko no na ya bre nya akwaje ahome na yakwakoda na fi nyame adoma na memda so no unze na ye sports program ye memda no pa no nyame adoma fan live every Bogu intano pa no nso sports in Betnase. Now, if you find a live coverage of a morning sports no every Bogu. And the sports team in I be seated. Now, if you know, so if we are now a year Nevium Kakano, Yakobo a gala, thank you to Galano, and also Yakobo Galano. Communities for now, you know, Mudim Comono in the Asante Achim Jaso, a part of a Galano, Afi and Quanta, Esu Ekanubi, Ubogu a host community. Na fi odubi enti dwaso enkwanta Ubogu na odubi communities for now e pese omdi nkomo na fi no me games no na that's when dwaso for enkwanta Ubogu na fi odubi na mbedi gala na eno no nyame adom na se ne manya tutu din a MC mamesafo apia honorable oyoba Ubogu na fi no so abegri so case because onunti na gala na na fi odi ada Asante Achimade se nyina ase asem se koto abama no eman be ye MC omni ni tum so me adwuma no o se eye ne momamfo ne tum fo na beto abama nti se anigi aba wo se omamfo ni nyina anigi na afie ye asem be sin so ne ginti no ye ne mamesafo apia ona bo e ka bom na afie ye gala de mafo komi se bodi na afie ene Saturday na ewie Saturday na gala ni ebo wi a wina no eje ye no ensi ye anwumre no eno so ye street jams emoso gidigidi pa ginam nti Friday mo so na Saturday second edition beba na afi no so aboso ama wo abebre no akwakoda na afi na de Sunday na anopa ne ahome isa se ye bebre Friday abre Saturday Sunday anopa ne be home na nwumre no ay live coverage of FIFA World Club Club World Cup finals no and so be 7 p.m. Sunday 13th of July ye live ye broadcasting kese pa ba bi ogina bia no betumi ahwe bi se na be 4 years ago ekoyi bi no ye so anzo aba na afi yayi na game no bi anya bi ahwe live a eno ne se ne nse ne tie for now a Friday jams Saturday morning sports gala and evening jams and Sunday no elsewhere live broadcast of air club broadcast finals na fi wi a do wi ni be wini do lu be lose na fi no so mo so pa 3 no e de agum na fi wi a ne Monday asesa niema na fi efiri bugu abadwa so ntia de ahwene pa emfidie ne ahwene pa workers ni nyina ero mu bugu na fi nyame adoma 11 12 and 13th of July no open the nsena gugu na fi bugu man e na fi nkuro atwa bugu ho sie nyina no enyina hu eye ahwene pa dwumadi ene se ne ye nti opani ubisa ya for now nze no saa ne nemate a yegusu a ye pimpim so ase ne biduru eye eho no na fi no manya kan wat ye kwa nyina no na se kese pa no kwa ma ye maame onabo maame safo apia MC
okay
ono ena dwumadi no ne fa kese na no som se o mane manfo ni age adese etu abama no se o me MC through the assembly members no o kabum na fi oni ahwene papatna na fi dwumadi no and big na fi afaso e de ada na manfo se asida kese no enkoma MC onabo maame safo apia for Santa Achim South se oboa waso dwumadi na fi se oni e partner na event no etinya kwa ma na colorful na bia gamzi ba bia bedi dwuma no for now two venues na ya prosperity +2 pub and afi station ho bogu station ho ntini mienu no bia by next week no officially no ma say bia because of +2 and I say bogu station wa na bogu adehye o matinti o mlezimiam na ahwene pe ba ene ba pa na eba
okay
event ne big enti ye ne bigger see hu say edoma ba
okay
enti dey community say ebi odwa so konyina bum so bia amra na afie nya de man nyefe because ahwene pepia ahwene pankasa enti opani sana enema tie for now
okay Ebusianti 95.5 so eni no club world cup no ahwene pa FM se ya ide gu akwan so na yedi nchechemu so edema ye tie for nti eno ho asema no nti ye bekoso a na yakeka ho nsem ede achre ye tie for ewo ehodomo na yakoye nim saa kakra saa nti bresem no bibia no ye ba mo hu se de enema enso eko efa ewo preparations a ye de etudwa el club world cup no enso eho nano e be catch am se dwaso astotef no afede abrewa yipoma kwam ama ho nsam ne ade nyina no eba beba so by ene date say ene 19th and ene say ene 20th oi okay into ending of this month there's by next week na was me aso next 2 weeks okay into next 2 weeks be a sabre de na ye hu sadwuma ekoso ewo dwaso astotef so sadwuma ekoso de a ene ye be san fra contractor na ba na osan be cheche ni ntia o share boss adwuma na be koso by next 2 weeks na ya hwani mu ana etra na yehu hwe nti dwaso astotef ne fancy etrim se kwan bia so no ye si contractor ne konso akopem se obeba park ne so na fe oba be ye adwuma no se de na bibia akoyie enso e de amount ene aka se mpanifo a can be home stakeholders na nanom ne mpanifo a odo a odwaso a ne mpanifo nyina ka bom se kwan bia so na wo se astotef etimi ye ayenya vice osekofo obo ene mpanifo a odo nyina ne dimu ntintiman e pa chewo su se contractor ne pa ne chewo ne kasa sabotre kwan so me dwaso astotef mfaman a na no de ne ba ya be ka ho asem ne kire bo nti na e wo se ma mo hu de akodu se by next 2 weeks there e wo so de ne fidi ba na ne mebi a wa cheche so person o sha ase di free no o sha ase mfa free ti ebusa ye san pempenifo a yebusa obo ne mpenifo awdo municipal chief executive ma mesafo apia ene mpenifo awdo nyina no so mo nyina so we ne kre astotef ne de ade e wo se domakoma so mba ye de ama Santa Achim dwa so ti we de kan ye katia ne de senior twen se time o ma hye so mba ending of this month no na itru ho anso a ya san aka ehon nsem bebre ewo ehodomo Kumasi Asante Kodoko any place ni bi by mutual understanding omo enso no etimi apart ways eno komoni ade nyina no enso ewo ho na nanu me hu video be teacher for me no bi am dey boy ni say Evans ba ko say Evans pa wotim say nyewa so ho ese ba ko say mean say hu ye ne hu ade on say me ka say hu ye wa hu ba me say ba ko sew de nani hane no ese adabusianti wo de asa won say now de me ja to de be me show video no ma say Evans and say on say Evans na ya hwenti players a club ya eno mo enso eko na me de say okay say Frederick Kasari de contract na end na okoti me ja me bobo so say na ja de aka na abjafo na abjafo so no etimi adele with matters and also el club ya kwa Africa eti be hwe ehon komo kakra sa na ema manfo so ho bia enema anso akwa kusi na enene nansa na club ya so call fikasiem e de wo mo trophy no e ko kire era opem so ehon na Herbert Mensah enso e kasai na yenko na yenko tie nsem a era Herbert Mensah enso e de etu dwane bi na yentoto aso kakra sa ewo ehodom na fe yenko yenim enso ewo ejumadi ne so nti yenko na yenko tie nsem a na Herbert Mensah enso e de etu dwabra na amkopie mo mensia no.
You know, I'm never confused, but today I'm confused. To stand in front of my father, I'm confused. To be here today with his team, I'm humbled. And I can say thank you to the players, the coaching staff, the management of Kumasi Asante Kotoko on behalf of my father. I would also like to say that everywhere you go, there's a greatness in Kotoko. And the greatness comes because of Otumfuo. Too many people have forgotten. They think you are playing football. It is more than football. You represent the spirit of Asante man. If you are only playing football, you are playing for the wrong team. I didn't see the great man near me. I'm so confused to be in the presence of Otumfuo. I didn't see my dear brother here. Please, this is not my occasion. It is your occasion. You've won the FA Cup. Otumfuo has dreams that are bigger than you can imagine. When I travel the world, everybody talks about Kumasi Asante Kotoko. At the same time, they talk about Otumfuo. You must get back up. Be at the World Club Championship. Bring the glory back. Otumfuo has invested. It is not Otumfuo's job to invest in Kotoko. It is Kotoko, what you achieve, and those who hold it, who must invest. It is an honor, it is a privilege to hold Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Otumfuo, your children, all I can say on their behalf is they are proud to be here. You've made me small as usual. Thank you, Nana.
Enti yera Herbert in seminar me be sha se kobna transe na me mo akwaba na efiada na yeni nkomo no ahyase anisa enso ewo ehodo monti ye be sha se de free nsemi mu na ye fa entro so ka nsem no epreko enso ewo hodo na afi ye hwe de eko ene afi de ebenyina ewo hodo na Alhaji Gruza nso aka we Ose Keto Kreku call himself the game changer. But he has destroyed both the game and the change. He's now called Destroyer Changer. Alhaji Karim Gruza. Heavy. Nenkomoni bi enso enono. Na na mpese kan koto kwa 70. I remember we said Samson Eduku, Isaac Minta, Samuel Tenedu, Andrian Ajete, Fernando Wisdom Bassi, and Michael Che Dramana. Omunyina no ade a 24 eno mu aware no AC and Frederick Kasari so contract no so aso by one renew enti eno ye nkom no nyina bia eka komna na wo obi a na nyese bia na na yamponsa ye bibia ma ba nsema Herbert kan na megina so ka se the Herbert kan se nyese otumfo to invest in Kotoko eno bi na yamponsa ya da bia mi so na okasa na boss se Kotoko no ye Kotoko ayo se timi ye bo ne ho bra but the na ya wo ye na ne se Kotoko no so bo ne ho bra but fofi antwata na odware abam but omoje trophy omo call menhie akwa san besi onsema most of times now ta kan concerning na yamponsa ye nyina nsem so na fe fan komo ne hyase na ye hwes kakra ne nsem ahodo a e wo chopa ne memu akwa ba apombo ko de ya da nyame ase ensem ne bi no
Ghana nsem osisi pound ye chiche nkrofo bibiri once every ATS Ghana e chiche amanfo ti se o ka list no wan chonga ba ba
so much chiche say
oh Kofi anse
what do man sika na say
we nyo man sika we nyo man sika we nyo enfa Ghana sika ho kra
me ho videos ni ba menti ase
ma na akwa akopɛ musika bi o manya sika no kwan o mo fa so munya sika no enye the rightful way what you say
me ho pictures ni
scammers ya onse nua scammers ya no mo ye ya aha nti no
now why they worry them
say
you were in chin crime so kuratu kobokro no ni bibi ana
Kofi so bi fa phone if obi be fa phone ko no abokro no na so bi so fa nyansa kwan so
edi for the mine there but say
wa ye bone
so me dey say me hu ye say chire me so kakra
da bi Kofi e bone what you say e bone na
say most of the time say am so money crofo here outside the
day because something romance fraud say ebia abawa so no bi hu ni internet ne so ohwe na ho ofe na ni didi nkomo se wani je ho no so ate ase ene ma mi si ochina ma mi si ade chi ma mi si sa afi de bi wi ase kwa ante ne nka bi e romance fraud Kofi wow what e bi kwa na e impersonation nipa na o share chile no e ye be ma e no do oba picture ye ti sa no ma na e ko so ba be ja ma na ma ni kwa ti ho na ye o madwuma e de be can sports
me ho so mo chichi onya boys na boys enjoy kakra
we nya le de
enti mi hu so mo ma frefre go fathers ni bi ana videos ni bi wa no de
mi ama we kwa no make ye Park Academy omo na so no ya che no or a part of them enye izo
asem
ayin de nyadwuma Ghana romance fraud no e man nyadwuma
there be say we nya Ghana say FBI mean is nya Ghana FBI including Ghana police and no more arrest no and say FBI na ba when FBI ntimi ma Ghana have it that say on seeking the concern of the government and the Ghana
police. You forget about bro for no the Oma boys enjoy
Park Academy
ya man crofo ewura SCC dodo SCC omo bi
omo CEO no Kofi omo na no ono so ye part Kofi ya che no
where's amo ha you to omo pay omo nye sika ya mbe bo amanfo ya amo ha omo kwa mama crofo ya dada esa de omo me hu se omo hihye omo tade kikra omo si for my white
omo ka sika no say $10,000, $200,000, $500,000, they don't have any problem. But Sikaya can go for millions of dollars, over $100 million, and it makes a child of my own.
Eh, say ne why mo use my drainage amode. Say ne man so wom, say Godfather so one game say controllers. Chairman for om to control.
Say do time once they do time go ha obekasa ba ohia chairman.
Chairman to control no ti. Ado fi edi musika ka desi edi musika. O ma say wura ban no asa ma fi sa chichi boys.
Chichi boys.
Me dey say chichi dey.
Boys as one issue.
That chichi dey. That chichi dey.
Boys as one issue power Ghana and say boys as one issue go fi.
Is it why we show off bia dey o so to betri. E bia why this catch share why we say ne. We should leave them no money di.
The last time I wonder say I didn't na omunya omuso sika na ompese Ghana fo nyina ho say ya so sika. And go fi omo chichi omo ombe chichi oma do mako.
Ba we be oma e famous kakra no. Uzo bo ha no ye ne Loki we se ne ba bi no ye na we.
Ya chichi nkofo bi ko omo nye famous. Loki for pa Skasho
mo so mo ye Loki omo Skasho mo
Park Academy o nei. Say nye issue na ba say me kwa na say nipa no wa chile no this ka ye team no Kofi ko he almost stadium a
titi nzwe na mnim na yikaka yenu titi na yo
na almost stadium a Kofi ohwe omo buses ohwe omo
they are investing
Kofi team say yes sika ko ade ni mu
they are investing
all these guys over here more property on my you know mudin na so over channel quality
to man go fit me rewre mo ani my positive akasa amoma ba every for abasa o machichi
last bare 4 years or bare 4 or 5 years Nigerian top scammer back on friend who's PP or no so not them or much in hospital or no the team is scamming. I think it's one of the Italian clubs, Fiorentina or Napoli or Sicomodi to play or Giscano or Giscani from one some of the Momo player will be about for arguing beer to the sense Bonnie I am van Giscani or more expert. Ha, and here is your
say Virginia. Put them which there, your couple, you're too big now.
What is that? Uchi FBI now almost investigation almost started be almost say I didn't course over 10 years ago. 10 years say banana side near the course. To my Giscan be a BETS collabo. But having as a Bruni investigation on this BBN investigation within 4 months a year who we are near castle. Poly new poly who near channel. One was any channel. But if you Bruni investigation, Unim say, I just say we assess. Enya na anu ya na ebeka say omomuku notorious BIG mo ya chi omo eti asem esi early 90s o afini ababecho the Brony investigation a onwene say ade no yenye the same interest amanfo interest from there bi onwene say see etimi hu nipa no and one say ade no ye che baaku no
yes I never
no abodin and how am I for no more your madea no obuti me chew yes you know the young sports na me for no person make comment me ana me nuanom and am now for no
me have a pass abrofi de nyom na ejiska mu nyom sika na me de inom sika bi won ye good ya no de nyi na fe de bi
mama good oh no so ade no wan fa nyi
on be wi am chinchien sa no de ko je so wi am age ayi wi am nyi
mo de age said nti so exchange of goods de anya ro bi di Kofi
opa ekweli
by this year from Samri ya kosi be Jima Ghana be do
down
yeah what's the BP for so the timetable aba omo beto aba na Ghana be they say Kofi yanko yenim
so say January
no presidential
so and kwa na me hu ba me hu primary
say one was
parliamentary
also on be polling station no on 6 December no be polling station elections no and from 5 about 7 initially now we thought say 9 but about 7 it is only 2 about the polling station bia and akọ o ma san bi coordinators no so no ma bi echo for also o ma biem kama nsa but on person moto polling station then o ma dey akwa to the presidential after presidential na fi dey o ma ba be the constituency, the regional and the national elections anti also the mo be the party yanko
ye dey say wa na metese me do ye be kan ho asem
na Kofi Herbert Mensah asema wa kan yi akwabi sema o kan the social media ode yanko yeni na se otufo enze so otufo ni invest wo kotoko me se kotoko na timi invest enya sika de bona ho bla Kofi asema Herbert kai no more than 100%. One say media more that school of say club bia na say timi generate sika de bo club na ho buy ho bla because say maybe so na nipa na wo ye so financier ni ho biem a club no be na survival. One say ye can scam e asemi make us say park academy ona no ya arrest ni bi meaning say park academy ona ni na ye so financier odi ni sika ye bibia say park academy go fit in the next 1 year ebegu one say na tie go for na go first kana ba biem because ono na ye so financier ono kwa na di ni sika ye it is a nipa na odi sika ye no the person is no more ubenya sika no he na ade aye biem wa say na etie no and so only Asante Kotoko a Asante man ejapade and otumfo bi obeti na so bia no eye ni team but baby Kotoko adu any level Kotoko wo no anka Kotoko be komensi akwa peska abeye Kotoko ho adwuma enye sa amount na omojege de ye Kotoko no last year Kofi 45 million a year new currency nom the year signings in one place 45 billion Kofi on player purchases in kwa so always sika open so de ewura Kotoko team after send na ya pon san kwa ya Kofi sika beble but if say can ya open so de ni sika ewura mi ena nka ye obi a Asante Kotoko wo bi a onu so use team di generate internal fund Kofi akase sika open so de ewura mi nke betimi akwa da koja achi project no
okay
ebetimi akwa ye and there be am kan say sa asem na FIFA de aba na say sa de na FIFA de aba say financial fair play no say ba Ghana ha say ya Kotoko ni ha say no anwe ye be chi even all the Ghanaian clubs say be chi because internally omu team generate fund be am from club no but financial fair play Kofi say wo ye infrastructure de am club ho financial fair play be anya adwuma
okay
say ene Barcelona omo Spotify company yo musi eno na nya financial fair play asem on betimi akofa sika bi free baby dia ba be ye on betimi agi sika bi free baby dia ba be ko FIFA nwo man dey decide say on be bie eye Benaba o mu no Kofi obi musi o mo say mu konya sika no wan but the moment Madrid be na adwin so beto players a sika o dey kwa akoto players no enye sika Madrid na generate no FIFA ebe question and financial fair play ne be dey ebe chewo
okay
FFP ne ebe chewo etinka sika ya ofi open so edi retimi anka se sika we nke betimi aye eye Adakoja achi project ne di ama Asante Kotoko most of Kotoko fans no mo kasa kwanya National Sports Authority dey here fa so say you see a stadium a enya dia National Sports Authority betimi aye ye say ye be dey ho edi Kotoko esi etimi see a stadium ofi se sika we anka betimi a start stadium si o but ene because Kotoko na nka sentiment generate sika bia ni ntino ama se sika no ekwaye operations working Asante Kotoko any salary tia and go be ubuza Kotoko players no be catch or say omo pay no from 24th to 26 na hit it
oh yeah
24th to 26 na hit it
yeah
na sika na eden aba ti da bi omo komenhia no makwaji sika no de aba be ya Asante Kotoko no eno na Herbert ka se be bi adu de angenze so tumfo na di ni sika bla beye ese nka team na ni team generate sika ba go fi say team betimi generate sika you need to put proper structures and send a team generate sika go fi so he na Kotoko structures na enya structures betimi generate sika internally di ama Asante Kotoko structures na wo ne no enya de betimi generate sika internally e ama yes Kotoko structures ni nipa mo na Kotoko me sen omunye tu na pinkla ena akwesi apia wan biem once omo ka ho ni na initially no mo ye for Emmanuel Dasoble kwesi apia Prosper na Togum and na pinkla mebo
yeah
ene Prosper na Togum oni ho biem ohwe eye Emmanuel Dasoble so a Dasoble so a onu so ni ho biem nti akwa ye kwesi apia ene ne omo include eye omo PR or the say Safuduku na Baba count ba Safuduku any that powers na kwesi apia ne eye Nana Pinkla wono because ohwe omo akwa eye mensia ne bo mudi nti na they have equal powers
yeah
but in so ohwe PR ya wa be ya eye
Safuduku Esquire
Kofi ono ni need that power because eye sa nipa mi we na appoint no what you say it no report to mensia straight or report to Nana Pinkla or Nana Pinkla and kwesi apia it is all here the normal football structure now Asante Kotoko any that structure ni bia ebetimi generate revenue e dey am Asante Kotoko adenti na akwa Europe Kofi they have brands and marketing because anka football there anka what team a ko bi beka say what the brands and marketing manager den because one as a club no area looking lucrative edema football loving fans na amanfoɔ bɛpɛ club no one sɛ otimi tɔn club na de ma co play toward na ɔmo timi bɛsɔ club na ase nti na yɛ ana clubs nkofi ɔmo apa marketing and brands manager ahwenepa ha yɛ ayɛ tii ofi yɛwura prof atefo ne ɛyɛ ne yere ma Joyce ɔmo bɛbi ahwenepa yi ofi sɛ ɔmo projecte sɛ ebia the next 1 year yɛn adi sika bi hyɛm etu workers sika because a new company na ɛba intimi generate sika sisi anim yɛ intimi tua but ebia in the next 1 year after 1 year after 2 years ɛsɛ company na intimi bɔ ne ho bla what you say
yeah
it is a yɛte ha yi sɛ bɔso me so na sɛ yɛsan afa phone ɛflɛ prof ɛne ne yɛne sɛ ma yɛyɛ adwuma bɔso me aso nti bleska ne mfa nto aduane anase bleska ne mfa ntua workers ka ɛkyerɛ sɛ the management a wapa ɔmo wɔ hanom sɛ ne they are failing them ɔmo faili ɔmo because wɔsɛ mo generate sika internally you need to generate money ti sɛ wontimi generate sika na sɛ ɔno ankɔkɔ fa sika mfa mmra deɛ a na mo a mo wɔ no so mfa so no sɛ ɛno nti na yɛhwɛ sɛ club biara kofi at least sɛ wontimi generate sika kɔ a bɛtumi de afa no ɔnkɔ ampo no a ka wo salary deɛ wontimi generate sika timi tua wo salary a sika na nka wobɛkɔ akɔgye de afiri club na no de aba bɛtua akatua no ɛtumi yɛ biribi de ma club no baadeɛ ne yɛbɛyɛ as a football ɛyɛ community like Kotoko has deɛ na mobɛyɛ a yɛbɛyɛ a club na ankasa bɛtumi agenerate sika internally ovi then structures ɛsɛ ɛyɛ adwuma you need to get obi a ɛyɛ football economic system football ecosystem no ɔte aseɛ you need to employ someone ɔte football ecosystem na se ɛno nti na ovi ɔbɛhwɛ no na sporting director club bi wakɔ akɔtɔ club bi sporting director
yeah not never
munchi wobɛte yɛatɔ no afiri Sevilla yɛde ne kɔ hanom sɛ Chigli-Bekistan ɔbɛyɛ no ɔkɔ a Edu Gaspar wafiri Arsenal kɔ because do you know why Ivan Gazidis mo ɔbɛhɛ no ɔmo kɔ wohwɛ ɛyɛ nie nti a those ɛyɛ sporting directors na ɔmo tɔ ɔmo a yɛwɔ club wɔ hɔ nom a yɛhwɛ club bi te sɛ ɛyɛ Brighton and Hove Albion Brighton ebi ɔmo sporting director this last season etwa mu yi wɔn sɛ Brighton yɛ a lot of sales paa January ne summer ɔmo ton players paa yɛ sika paa nti team bi te hɔ sɛ na deɛ na Brighton sporting director yi yɛ ɔyɛ ne yi a player bi ɔmo de bɛbɛ bi ano ayɛ hit ɛnna saa na ɛteɛ deɛ a yɛn kɔfa ne mmra na sɛ ɛni no wɔfa bi ma bɛfa players ne yɛn nso yɛnyɛ dɛ yɛnyɛ bi ntɔn eti sɛ club wobɛnya player resale value wobɛnya player timi atɔn a it depends on your sporting director eti kofi nka Asante Kotoko betimi ayɛ that side ebetimi apɛ sporting director which a obi na adwuma no ɛnyɛ necessary sɛ ɔba abɛtɔ players to beef the team no but bi a obetimi a sport talent ɛde aba team ne mu saa talent we de onim sɛ yɛ ma yɛn bɛyɛ 2, 3, 4 years a saa talent we no ebetimi afɛkye yɛn bi of $1 million, $2 million, $10 million ebetimi generate sika de ama club and go fi player sales part of income generating because all your football clubs say obeton obetete aton say generate edema and what ho am obi nya and na da wo ma wa adwen nya osema de ne Chelsea money teams akese no mo don players in generate sika omo ton pa ba wonte ofi omo you side no omo ton pa Bayern omo ton Manchester all the big teams ofi omo you side no omo ton pa ebi akwala no we do level eso bo senior team but on 15 to 18 no bono ebi on team mbla Manchester United senior team say then na yen ton nfa nko not na kwaje 5 million 10 million and Chelsea expert was ade no and the ones that Chelsea on some kwala ni beblebo say na fe do mo dwomu nyina di na discover it is a Chelsea balancing the book at the end of the season now once ebi a Chelsea and qualify for Champions League but the books no or balances say yan fa so ye e ka ho and these are things I go be say Kotoko person we generate sika internally they need proper sporting director ebi a ya hanum say no no dey friend technical director wow ebi a men fan say ya hanum say no no dey friend a technical director but sporting director no no over the sporting director adwuma or any technical director adwuma ya different from the sporting director because sporting director or best sport talent they are bred the technical team, not technical director, no team, any team manager, any coach no mama nkwa be first one mobeye. Etikotoko needs to get someone obetimi a sport talent e dey abakotoko youth side as our talent no not necessarily say omo ba be bokotoko senior team at the moment I be show team say omo ba be bokotoko senior team no e ya dey be fail the plan awoye but all the other say you have titi players no so obetimi bobo the senior team na fine obetimi abobo the senior team no so fine you be tom you be sport your mako so finti ne we kotoko junior team a and they both division 2 ya odu sama say ya omo bo eye youth tournament bebre samay ovi omo youth tournament bebre wa brochiro etikotoko how big they are se kotoko epe tournament abo e wa amanone a kofi nim say ye ise so obenya se kotoko youth team o de kwa amanone e ko boss eye youth tournament na ekokoko so Denmark, Italy, UK okokoko kwa sa places so nya mutre Emma eye bia Arsenal, Barcelona, Madrid youth side na be peke omo de omo kwa Kofi sika o omo no because say Kofi Madrid or to youth player onka say or kwatete no na say eya ya ton ache wo eye sen eye 2 million 3 million je me de ne ko eye ya mafa aye ya ma ede me twa so edizo hwe Madrid Kofi Vinicius Junior Martin Odegaard do boss nei Kofi om ko fo mu nyina nkola o e no mde omo ba yo Danny Ceballos mu nyina ye nkola omo graduate from the junior ranks am de ba the senior team edu betimi akwa akobo hwechi Kofi kotokokwa on betimi anya players be 2 or 3 big teams in Europe ebe ba tom do mako mu youth side ama abo asante kotoko in terms of sikasem kotoko sponsorship deal yenim say ne sponsorship eye den say obenya pa wo Ghana hanum say ba da bia na asem America ne say Kofi sponsorship a company be no for the Christmas or best only say we ya asante kotoko ya asante hene die enti no me di asante hene anim feeling enti me sponsor Kofi company be no be yes ade no and one say open so involve no wo kotoko sponsorship same nkanya say Kofi open so afafo a company bi obefin bi abe sponsor kotoko ba open so kotoko na anya na adwuma what you say no so no ne lemu ono no wo ne baby kotoko na ye na adwuma enti no apeni pa omo ye kotoko di se ani pa na mo ye kotoko no mo na ese mo dwene sa abia no na mo ye den mo ye de ma asante kotoko enti se kotoko pe sponsorship there be am can say football club bia no major source of income your supporters major source of income your
supporters
yes it's not about say be a mad day on Beba Stadium amwa ba binyeska there be enyasa but major source of income your supporters and asante kotoko supporters Kofi omuntie say we support club na mo boa club ne ko na nima benefit ya woso no ene meka mo hu Kofi ya kotoko Ghana say there be over 30 million they can say kotoko meka say kotoko wo 1 million supporters are omoye lawyer Kofi lawyer to asante kotoko every month be obetua 1 cedi dia ma asante wa Kofi ka asante kotoko ka every month be omunya 1 million Ghana cedi 1 cedi o ko benya ba Kofi supporter na otidwa aso anu asin betimi atua 1 cedi na ma na bro so asin ma na o janhye na o mse kotoko ana osu no
asin say
ma no
we aso janhye he ya
o mse kotoko ana
ko game bia okọ
ekuma asin kwa de o
kuma asin kwa de
o mse kotoko ana osu because kotoko
echi asin
eti Kofi asin timi je
That's all I can you misro.
asin say bia osida na wasin de hunde say
Asin ye Ivan Zampacho.
asin say bia osu
eti Kofi
na say zito buy ne su ne so ati
zito buy so
say win back akra
win bantini so ne so ati asin Kofi asin timi tua 1 cedi on timi tua 2 cedi
o bet me tua 2 cedi
ba Kofi asin 1 cedi na ekura ne no o de ko he o de ko ma wan na ejiska na to
that's the issue
what you say
sampa na o chire mu ne no
onya fa on timi fa mo bia eti say bongo kotoko ana has ana Chelsea kotoko yo ti bongo anka player to beblebe ti bongo ntimi fa 1 cedi to ho
obetimi ja 1 cedi e so say kai fo anu da ko California wedi
keke ye be yo so de anu aje no akote no office oti ko bi to nya 1 cedi to ti bosu mi bongo ntimi nya 1 cedi to
bro die no nyina o de 1 cedi obenya 1 cedi na na bro
obenya 1 cedi na bro so ba kofi bongo 1 cedi no why na bongo dey come na me ye dey aye kotoko why na bongo this guy na man
okay
one say ne why na bongo dey man so etina you leaders in the club answer na supporters leaders aba always be on the club and supporters lead club leaders no omni supporters leaders e dealing hand to hand because club leader oma supporters leader power and on to team they are mobilizing the supporters on to team they are back down about before bongo money asem a bosu mi bi on beti me 1 cedi na ma kotokwanya 1 million Ghana cedis every month e go fi say kotokwanya 1 million Ghana cedis every month 12 months na say ovi enya 12 million Ghana cedis 12 million ye the old currency by 120 billion o say amount for 120 billion o and wenya o eti dia na obeya ubetimi mobilize supporters no say kotoko supporters say onkore kotoko game kra na say every month bia no be donate 1 cedi dia ma asante kotoko akofi I think say e good e the ma asante kotoko kra no cause the more na wunya ska no na wo yeti ni ye man be ya attractive afi do bia be ba so ba bebe say ne Manchester United tisi Ghana how say akofi woni mi po be kwa akofi United both Manchester United supporters ne omo support Manchester United obi abekwa akwa omo ankene carpet team e kese asapa o wiase a ke United o team kese e wo wiase asapa ke Manchester United but we tisi ha nipa bekwa akwa omo and na United enya good score line but still omo sponsorship money cost no adentia because se feel na ne enya de kwampo na e see maintain your big status no yes so your supporters no as always be maintaining it in the achieving the say ya achieve it is our supporters you need a proper circle chairman and your circle chairman what just a match about behind bus behind car supporters in term so yes circle chairman supporters chairman one obeti me mobilize supporters obey ID cards dia me recognize you because coffee so corporate Ghana omo they always be and they believe in data
yeah
omo believe in data
yeah
omo believe in math saying so I can say kotoko 2 million supporters at the end then I would they back is asem now can you need to justify say ampa you 2 million supporters so who data why your database who say you this number of supporters who no be din come for sponsorship obetim dey actually say ya Asante Kotoko this registered number of supporters omo dey baby e be omu dey echi ansa na floating kwampo no you will say no dey anima no but you azumi say you floating for no kwampo you say Kofi it makes sense it after say one mobilize on Kofi say bosumi bia no say otua eye 1 cedi a obi ni tua be anything need to anything and a generative ska once entina make us supporters a major source of income at the macro bia it be generative ska na dey aba and no another one a major source of income no so all the to enchanya Kofi so we seek sponsorship make I say na dey lali omo bo club world cup omo ko ako seek Coca-Cola deal Kofi omo use omo supporters once Egypt omo do so chen Ghana for but LL is almost 10 million supporters. Almost over 10 million. But every omo database no omo ye sure so omo database ma omo contribute to 10 million supporters. So Coca-Cola sponsorship omunya go for munya $10 million. Every year be na Coca-Cola at the moment. But Coca-Cola ni imagine say now LL what 10 million supporters there. That's our best sponsor na. What dey every month be an omo no 1 million Coke farm omo. Kofi enyeska say we yimu 10 million di amako elalia enye ni problem it is Asante Kotoko percent abia Kofi MTN Ghana ahnepa FM sponsor Asante Kotoko say me di misika be mawo Asante Kotoko say fire wudwumadi a die na me ahnepa FM menya di afra Asante Kotoko die na me MTN menya afra Asante Kotoko na se omo kope omo house kofa Star Life de buy but Star Life for no negotiation on the house has a force support has a Jimmy and Jimmy and meet a requirement and say you pay every month to be and no can is for 50,000 but omen to me adding here because supporters mobilization is issue it almost supporters no kwampo no control over their supporters if it's all control over your supporters now say Star Life no kotoko aba partnership na se kotoko circles ni ye meeting and say meeting and se se ukotena baby ansa no ye meeting betimi a Zoom meeting WhatsApp meeting go vi baby me betimi a meeting ni nyina no supporters ni nyina ambeti it is support konongo circle na se say oba pa mo so circle no mugu no na se 24 na 24 na
no say it's 23 or 24
23-24 konongo circle Star Boy money oba pa mo circle no mugu no
I want to me am
ube muzo omo beto omo kan na ekotoko ne has asa it is circle 24 e wo konongo ebia they have 60 members ebia sisi ano Star Life for aba sponsor kotoko but omo say yetimi subscribe 100,000 500,000 etimi subscribe to Star Life they will give kotoko $1 million ovi eba sa na ne ono one anya say wo subscribe ni free say wo to yeska because it's a life insurance no one say a Star Life so they deal with a life insurance Star almost Star Property no deal with property insurance but when a Star Life they deal with a life insurance and life insurance we have a lot of policies in life insurance those times now they turn insurance no they turn now I think na Enterprise Life now you turn the man for the policies ne dos they have funeral policy they have educational policy it is a Mayes Bongo ye kotoko supporter it was circle 24 ne chairman na kasa say Star Life one kotoko aba be kasa it is a Star Life no subscribe educational policy the amanema all subscribe no e bia boso mi bia beti Bongo 50 cedis say 50 cedis no enya say Star Life one e fall e investment or dey amanema daache say sika na wo tu nyina ne sabeka na ade o e bia was subscribe for 2 years na o package e dey be den ye dey be ma it is says Ghana mo subscribe no say Star Life for say mutimi yenya kotoko supporters 500,000 mo subscribe ye be ma asante kotoko 1 million Ghana cedis so mo njemfa tovi say supporters ya mobilize omu yie na chairman for ni omu di nkomo ne omu kasa anse mo ya kofi ya wo fafo yi omu wo bompata ya omu tie omu de say omu fe kotoko Mr. Commentary man ona na omu fe
Mr. Mola mo ne
Mr. Mola mo ene why abankwa krumo no
Chichopombo
ache mo kofi one say omo no o catch roma they will subscribe but one na be yes ade na dia mo
no ni asem no
eti aka enu so generate scale and so we kotoko supporter na say mo mobilize mo hu yi a na say club need me ko na ni ma kofi ene unim say Morocco for likely some be qualify for World Cup proper but in no money opportunity ko America na me hwe work ne Manchester City I think Emirates number 20 ovi me hwe Morocco fo no mu good stadium wa me say hey Ghana fo e pa kwantu yi e na ka kotokwa na ha sa kwa because club World Cup ni ti no o ko sikivesa monti ase se wo nkra kotoko ID card ne ya ovesa ho je bedin o se wo so ko support team fanse kotoko na ekwa enu de hia say ese circles leaders no o mobilize supporters no mo ye data o mo ID cards e kire se o mo ya asante kotoko supporters no mo support kotoko na edu time ani je wo senior wo mo so benefit bi go via tinya na betimi akọ US embassy say oh yeah work of Morocco supporter na there na we back say oh yeah work of Morocco supporter these are things oh yeah supporter ka betimi a benefit club need to kwan akofi benefit abetimi a benefit obetimi to kwan na wakoka akoye adwuma South Africa abeko because the club na etu kwan a visa acquisition nya den on sabeka ni sisi ya na akọ baby etinka Ghana agenya akotokwa na has mu ba ko na okwa US nipa bebreji o mani di blaster chinka yanya first trip eko bongo kenya first trip eko US no ka second trip no so yeso be kwa dia next year ya ni ebe fa ayidi akọ no Mexico di elom no ya ni ebe fa Brazil di Mexico ni di elom wow ka second trip no so be kwa next year but all these things leaders no mu lead the team no they are failing to do I say o many di 3 points e chiche bibia about 3 points so mu nya Kofin ka kotoko ye say kwampo na ke bia the last 5 years o mo na agi league ni nyina ka be ka so okay on the field they are achieving but with all this enya do omu achieve on the field omni has me ana de bia me come me enu bom na dia kama asem Of all these years, and you're on the field, so can no more achieve. Has it also saying 6 and 5th.
As the 5th.
And I go to call 4th, baby, on that. All these years, and you're the more achieve on the field. And yo,
3rd and 4th.
Okay, say Omate Nation, Omo Pusia Bomani.
And the club,
Third, and has of.
And okay, communicate a great one be a mete say a strategy. On person the Boga cut off until no more share that quiet for ways and send a way. What do you remember Bishop now the above top for a strategy no more? Hey, then I video million as I push your best up for a strategy. It go be, okay? So, Kotoko, yes, I do. We are. We have to meet the scan from Mass and Tokotoko.
A bit to be pa.
Baby, and a car walk up. Mate, work if you made a pen and paper, make a camera for Sika Munyo. March be a coswa. Mamlodi Sandans, with your Kononia 9.25 million a year euros on nine. Or call your boy the first game, we need 1 day. Go we shall go be a more 1 million. We need so 2 million. To that game, Mamlodi Sandans and yet 3 million. Fako can 9.25 no kofi. Mamlodi Sanders and I'm at around $12.5 million. Or boy just 1 game. Competition is starting just 1 game. When you're 12.5 kofi, say nyame ye na dom. We're winning the first game. What you mean winning the second game? And I say qualification to the next stage no nya anesao. And okwa the next stage in so kofi. Obeti around 5 million sadi ababa beka ho. Govi senka asante kotoko anase has ana Ghanaian club and the say sika we go fin Kenya yede because can obeba be spend the Ghana economy nim ama pushing Ghana economy forward. Come a be a player be oba omo player team be beto player ubenya sika gu bottom ombe invest sika no Ghana hanum say ti ebema Ghana economy no abusti kama but say sika ya yet no ka World Cup yasi Ghanaian club be enim bi Ghanaian club be enim bi o but yes say achia emu ye eti ye no ma yi akofi ye betimi aye dey achieve say normal but dey na ye ni
na me bu say
dey na ye
dey
ni ye no say akofi me say ye ma structures en work e wo team bi em
se no bi na papa yi ya o international na ya na o try as the best kotoko na o me ye ma sa virtual and is what
virtual sea
challenge ne sa na ma ne bi
I don't know more condemn ya but after the years and so now they are supporting it now. First they not omo criminalizing and then obema di papa still but in need omo be here ba kum yenu dem say the best na eso omo ye. Wow, virtual sea challenge coffee. So be a club administrator, you have to be innovative. Wow. Eso ultimate dwene di bibi ye dey. E di bibi ba. And na ya mponsa problem unya nyina na say last time na penny bika chem say na ya problem onya and say after the GFA election kofi what kind of on Georgia free na ya mponza say no na the third force na where voting na and no na they decide baby enko and enkofo bi believe say kofi na ya from nowhere and na ya timi achieve that vote no na ya ambition is so person be FA president and wapa be so Asante Kotokum na Asante Kotoko di ye ko nanim di agovi so ye Kotoko 3 years e ma Kotoko ye successful so ba be play eye GFA na eye easy say na ya mponsa binya enti sa na te dia ene ye mmono ye tata na ma ninjai di ye use obi e dia ye use obi dia e dia fighting na ya mponsa and nipa na use omo use ne dey fighting na ya mponsa no eventually the team ba Ghana Premier League mebo Kofi komonu tie nipa no mo use ne dey fighting na ya mponsa eventually the team ba Ghana Premier League ebe boy what you say and
it denies bibi na ye bibi
o say
bibi dane
ye say one say Kofi me say we are seen it no a word of interest if you interest a different who adwuma we interest na me so we interest and obi adwene ni interest on first as am about adwene bibi account etini pa no pani na adwene ni interest on etini interest a wadwene na say na ya mponsa ebe ye powerful or you so Kotoko platform go fi eso pa eti say na ya mponsa e lake or kwa Africa kwa yade na say when you smooth a job no ya no be powerful Ghana hanum say kima go fi unya be ya Asante Kotoko CEO na ya successful o chances so betimi aye pani bi wo Ghana hanum say easy it is obe play Ghana Football Association na ye be use Kotoko as a reference point e dey amano and crowds in beto ama no and also the talk crowds in keto place eti once I want on obetimi influence omo eti obetimi dia ba benya efa akunya na di enti sa na te dia yema ye on settle na yamponsa yema na settle Ghana ye league nti ye on settle no te be on settle no dia we need someone our ben na yamponsa obetimi on settle no and send the pan on settle na yamponsa
simple cry
wow say
serious bantapa
wow ni eti nego vina na yamponsa
that am papa no so ka biewum
o ka biewum eti oh yeah eno na kofi eyo openso ahi eye ne ya se ne sa na tie dia board amapa nyina we ni board na mi wogidie mapawom because o hwe eye Joshua Owiska uwewe Owiska Jamfi Kofi Aban Sikani omo nyina kofi omo ya de for wa Ghana how say so e den akotoko ntimi nya successful eno na mo openso kwa agi ni team o so odi ni sika beye because odi amesikafo na ntimi anye o ma de ne down ene sa na tie dia amaji mi sika amaji mi team na me amara na me ankasa mi team na nkonkonko yes say ni say eti fighting within the club Asante Kotoko na abo no anu ablo eno obi na use Asante Kotoko na mu nipa de ball Kotoko na ablo ena Nana Yamponsa after 3 years Nana Yamponsa antina Kotoko biem ena openso agi ni team ena Nana Yamponsa ye de ekoye eti ene Asante Kotoko na ewo no ye ni Nana Yamponsa type of person one obetimi aye ne Nana Yamponsa eye no because Nana Yamponsa at time now sponsorships Asante Kotoko wo omo wo Zipe omo High Sense omo a lot of sponsorship no mu generate ska edema Asante Kotoko and or the initiative by say Kotoko win game bia na 4,000 Ghana cedis Eko Kotoko Old Players Association omo accounts omo futuom say na be ya omo so betim di abo omo blati say ohwe kwan na Nana Yamponsa nam so ana wo ba Nana Yamponsa ewo vision say obetimi ama Asante Kotoko aba be ye kraba ono obetimi generate ska edi ama no but because of enkophobia interest or Ghana ham say ntino omo use nko for the fight against Nana Yamponsa na Nana Yamponsa koye eti yemu say won say Nana Yamponsa time na some of Kotoko supporters ene enkophobia no omudi opani bi achi no esusu say ne Nana Yamponsa ye ne nya no ne yemu say ne how are you running Kotoko no eno ne sa time no dey pa na ye sa time Nana Yamponsa running yes bia Kotoko siko ye say any ne ya Kotoko no ye run ye mu say sa time ne dey pa na ye running Kotoko ni
so kese pa na
say pa na ye running Kotoko ni meaning say enormous nti obi interest o Kofi nipa ne cheme to say ni ye nyina akwa fa ye say ye nyina ye adwuma ni bi say ni na koye ye because ya we ya akwan be ba be ye powerful sa akwan be ye powerful so a obeje Ghana fa adwuma na boso enti say na tie dia ye fight no ye be fight na ye use this person to fight Nana Yamponsa administration eno musu to fight Nana Yamponsa administration Nana Yamponsa we no Ghana football if you we no football ba won ni bi but Nana Yamponsa one say na man for etem say Herbert Mensah reincarnation
yeah
and once Herbert na omode ne toto Nana Yamponsa Herbert na no de Nana Yamponsa toto no eno no so na akwa ka say ese Kotoko na timi generate ska de Kotoko no Kofi Herbert time na Kotoko ya attractive
very attractive
na Kotoko ya and those times se Kotoko betwam a kwan wa ye ma omu coastal bus a kwan wa ye ma obi a person hwe Kotoko bus keke oh but ne Kotoko ne nte say bi but go fi enseye there be ameka say enseye obetimi aye ono ma yi asa back to o glory days eti say yansesa your mentality yansesa no na ye hwe ni say ya eni some ma pom place 7 and 10
that's a 7 as I say
what they you can one what they asal can one say a bible 6 and 7 no say asal they on no contract na ewu
and friend say Samson Edoku Isaac Minta someone Tenedu Andrea Najete Fernand Wisdom Basi Michael Trejamana we fancy so far
6 so what they you can one 7 players any flash Asante Kotoko one for young can Justice Blay
yeah Chief Justice Blay
8 no 8 players until we are the current Kotoko squad no 8 players in the A3 team no more than akọ meaning say we the be can one be more than 8 meboa
yeah
because untimi enya na like for like say 80 akodim go for 8 pepe na aba because enka no mo kra ho anka this is na dan ka beto place the meaning say this season yes I expect say Kotoko ba beto 10 and 12 say 80 no ko 80 ko 80 no replacement beba no the 5 as so ti yes I hwe anim say Kotoko beto 10 place beto 12 place go vi Madrid money city mo muske kwa transfer window is no matter go vi say no matter say no matter eti akwa yes say every season be an Kotoko the players beko or say the players for beba say players here bubodi e bi ko ho moto o mo generally ya because ho mo to mo generally ya ho to mo generally ya e na mo de o mo nyina yeko eti say wo yes ha de we go vi club na be na akonani
de bia wo gina ho saa o
say de bia wa say player no buy no me de bia am ka say player say in the first season I had a hardly say so man call after the first season and I say 6 months so man call because adaptation made me a problem though be a player and be Ghana any but Ghana hano you believe we say because we so free tackle ade ebet na Kumasi a the same Ghana no but adaptation a problem o culture e what tackle ade different from culture what Ashanti region bibia mu ye dua ni die mu bibia mu where the tilda
eto me di da say na minim di
wonim di won kama pa udugwaya eto no wo be ko no ma bo ma pata na da senisi wo hutu na obo kan eto no obo kan eto ne ete de to
body hands
na ha na amakusira wa na
titi no
de papa ba bia oba Kumasi no onya bi ni eno ko ampo ye problem de ma no what you say onya bi ni letimi ye problem de mano otimi ye problem de mano eti these are things that go fi affected players omo first season e wo club bi am your players bi on ma e bi a first season obetimi anya instant hit the amount onya problem but players bi on ma psychological problem o he cultural problem bi am affected player so you need time how o de be ma player no na watimi adapt to what adeti na players be Kotoko ni apam Kotoko apam wo on be ko team for no ma keye ka last season o meja as a best player ovi enye Kotoko no be nam ye Kotoko apam no okwa wakwaji best player league na mo bo na mo so wonya de no sa league na na okwa yokobo obi waje best player ho Osman Bashir mo kovi on be nam Kotoko won first season na pa o ma pam mo enso go different class na o mo yade meaning say ebia players na almost spiritual. So you need time. Omu hiya time. Omu hiya mle. Ya mle kakra ansana nipa no etimi adapt. Ba ya wa agyen hey first season anko ye di 4 eju omo nko 5. Dey na chese sa eju na akofa no. On be ba be ma instant hit. Obi dey na chele. Dey na chese sa eju na dey ba no. Omo ba be ma instant hit. Omo jimi ma instant hit. Eti sa eju kofi 10 se Kotoko better 12 players this season na. Next season start 12 no emu be 18 so be san ko enye sa na run club obinya sa na run club last season players have had a Chelsea toy what is some the big transfer what is some Mutombi but obomba be blame na performance in yo but omo believe say they need time to adapt to Chelsea system it's yamo omomle you can't use just one season to assess a player say oya de anaso onya de. This Nigerian guy, Basi Wisdom, Govi, well, I said they have more playing time. But Govi, Ghana, Jibwa, what you say, potentials, no, and Nigeria to Ghana. Though Ghana and Nigeria, we have certain things in common in terms of culture, but from Nigeria, be of Okuta, of Ibadan, of Lagos, and Eba, Baba Bedu Kumasi, do we have Kumasi in Lagos system, and Fano, and Chano, it will have time to settle well. Kumasi na kwa polo fuma ya di o ma ba betena. Bebe bi o muti. Eti enche no, eti obe take it time ansa no adopt it today. A Ghana system no. Even aduane kwampo ye issue. Make us no e ba no odi wo ho. Ba ba Ghana anwamo na okotodi. E no kwampo ye problem the man. Eti e ba sa na health condition be ye issue. Eti oni here time to settle. But just one season woman akọ. All because one perform well this season. One season manako who go for different set of players the omaba. Then I just that set of players go fi on be yard. Nti e ba sa na akoye say open so sika na ehuna amane de bia e be kwa akwaje open so sika na e de ababa abeye kwaje open so sika na e de ababa abeye ba kofi a day will come open so be catch omo say mun generate sika fanye club no me de asamo sa mun generate sika fanye club no and sad day no eno be hu say wo run club and say the business man say we so a say wa moka say wa nya mfa so a e moka ezo timi break even e de ma eye adwuma.
Okay, Ibas, remember, we transfers no say bia ba ku mienu bi e wo ho ane issues e ho ha large cruiser issue ne transfers has na has nso don maso kwan no dey esa dey maso nso say na make say maso any place bi ko di nkomo so wo ko has dodom be ko so that na ko here no and say didi abewom and that's a place no am a place no kwa teams bi ba omo ho a omo enam so omo go father from nti na so omo twetwe omo ho kakra from so omo be twen no matie say omo ko has is it me nim say there maso be ka say place and
say nya nto anya nto
the club no so omo approach you so twetwe ho so be because place me to try and throw because my friend even said me dey never call baby and if kwabran so e team no so aba ho and I wouldn't say be a won me na ebo nti no when say one pay attention to kwabran as am na no can because of say me na my friend say e call baby nti no and then me baby I can say e call no ye nyanko do say we can raw say nyanko dey but bi so na kwabran so say no e na nyanko baby fufuro that's why some more place no
say nya transfer union kwazi emi ye ni atum
say na make say I didn't dey see e approach them now run so in them
o muzabat says ya the issue is menyanko and it's a club in wedding koma ye hunza no be because and uza Maxwell no has ne kasa na enkomo nzi you enkomo na said am kwachi bebreza eba se has ne Maxwell din komo but am kwachi se ne bia kasa bia be se 80-90% bi ndi no ene ye ma green lighter ubetimi any place din komo ente bia na Maxwell no ze bia for now has a big club and who has the only yenis baby has person kona bia per me philosophy of coach name ne mam ye has been yame ente ne mam ni place mini kan kasa ngu se na be ya se de no break through a then me ne guys ne be ye nti enkora nyankomo a be ka se coach be bre sa se ne ka se na intro na ka se didi ne eye togwesia no Maxwell ni togwe ni ngomo Maxwell ni sia togwe but eba media nim se togwe house ni kuna didi ngomo ebia management mesin bi approach no ebisa na say kwan da ho a sa line no but so officially pass on house pan for trans for negotiation there bibi sa ngo between Maxwell na eye team offensive folk send ebia na didi no we sia togwe na trans ye di ngomo no
say what ho na say ebia I can be far from France ye person be house adwuma na I think say you know say we yen green light and say I know do to or nyawota makromo flower one say Emma hope say green light na ye dey ba na say entina ne unso betimi adu nkomo because acha next month na pre-season e ba be start we local scene almost so we league na say ohome for 1 month na the full month season pre-season na start entia no na bia we nya say assurance from na bia penny bi o has na na mo no so timi nya sa gidie no so start any place didi nkomo no yo anya ne ntema bia no bia for player no
ma onze sometimes go make just coach defense maso kunadu obani o ye coach a ono pe players omo ba obi mo instant results o ye coach ono no mpe matama kwa bia se bia fe na no obegumi players yen fan kramra na yen mom time no se ne has asha se ne ma no Maxwell nyes that type of coach ni bi on do ba player A player B first season wa nya hwe kra no so timi team a wa me league ni so oje into anya first season second season go so timi edge league no and such players go pani se see aso come ho a you need to fish out man so use ka kese
yeah
into our house ne Abrante fence Steven Amankona woman seven no eska
yeah
eska has ne medium player called Black Stars Kamadini eska because omi players are omi already known players already made players are omo kwa ekofuna ba nya fina bet nse ko fa first division for na ba no and say players na Maxwell super so onomi adwuma and penam ne has fan bidding ko say or can say has ntimi to players a enye hwe because ene league ni kura ebokura so oje league ni kwa na scale nya from the league no opponent ntimi to one player go start the league say omnya 5 billion and is so also per player program top players are one to grab to 3 billion. In how many players as I can just winner of the Premier League no ubet me that every team into Maxwell issue no me who is the house send a house person your name is the baby Maxwell to FIBA no Maxwell ain't many has because players obey here no hasn't been to mano and so bonus went to say players na mana season and the end team can so failure because the records of the man went to meet into Didi Dramani one of the coaches I'm supposed to say bia about the local scene Ghana Premier League nima with Kotokono on also the experience bet me agara book and apart from the ground my say normally for my Kotoko coach your course around by azan coach course around by mi be fini kakra o ko me no course around man ko ye
was it Hassan
former Kotoko assistant coach o course around
picture crowd
yeah that Ghazali yes Ghazali but ena Golden Kicks head coach or boy so on there first second assistant coach man's book and so has somebody this has so take over the house of take get him now
because Mati say is Hansen I'm Golden Kick coach and say did the na onim
yes
the Juventus no wetin na ejuma
and Ghazali den so almost akoso a common do achi in the open these 3 coaches buy a league nima and I say a bag and football say be more experience woman you need to get quality players because when team go for did ma e can chance on go for first division for second division and come from go so them all them runners book opening all nya results nima in so we season we no transfer be players has book pay nya players are most of them Ghana Premier League players most of them players omo league ni bi this is ya talk of Legon cities players are who's the cities equal relegation and nay players me bro ho obeka say born ensedan constituency over has vocal for now players are has no more edin komo no e be a brand friends say Jonah Tukwe so ka Jonah
Tukwe yeah
yes Ogus no Obekum Chelsea ofi cities Obekum Chelsea has no players on body as a incommon do chire parka kemno sign former goal star striker Prince Kwabena Usu onzo kwa outside obai no okoya amfa obai no general nga has go pen but they no ntimi an go 20 nei because once has ni player na san so di nkomo a ono so enya no pen afi abet yebu a ono so Legon cities o Melfreda ono so has book ene guy ni so di nkomo no so mo hweso mbenya no na Abrante na be room and nei Abrante friends player Bekum Chelsea a striker Emmanuel Sapon
yeah
yes
yeah
ono so o Ringa rather yes Ringa no ono has as a player ni so di nkomo an so do achire pa na like say has for great me san that player no from team friends Bekum Chelsea on man kwa de no dendon ono omunya nkasa nkwachi yes because nei amankwa nya offers from outside enu say Ghanaian players say for free outside the bar na opeso odi kan hwe no once no amfo amande a na bi a onani a chief na fa hwe local scenes so baby a enema so event has book players no and most of them players are one boy the Ghana Premier League has book pem so meet nyom no abeya adwuma no ye has okokotokwa and the Abrante fan say Hubert Jau Bekum Chelsea defender no ono so ne kotokwa wi a on podi de no bibia no ago true officially no or you got to go play a wiki group Kumasi. Oh, yeah, or to the massive Benya baby of Betania, dear. Or no so about Afe, Abrante friends say a Dari Aziz Haruna. Team friends say between us go gipano. Or no so be room into Kotokwa. Unse Frederick Eko. Into the Abrante friends say Haruna ba. Na a bituno no. And Afe former a year Dreams goalkeeper. Abrante has his son last minute to go Okobo Sunday special could pray. Ono so ne ono enne Kotoko pen but omo enye ono nti won go for Abrante friends say Aziz Haruna from team friends say ye between that Abrante no so wi with Kotoko a ono so aba and afei Kotoko also pep Gold Stars Emefroda Charles Jeffrey Kamara Charles Kamara ono so Kotoko pep yes kasem kakra bi na Kotoko ni Abrante so bi ono so ebiro mu Kotoko no so akoya adwuma de ma Kotoko na afei Abrante say Samson Duku unse Kotoko ja no eno so ko Gold Stars ono so nkomo so do achi pa na like Abrante so bi mu na ono so akọ local scene na no ene medema goalkeeper Apia Kubi enye ya Apia Kubi ya but medema goalkeeper Apia Kubi ene report about 3 years on eye medema ebedi no ma party ways nteno free agent on so club UPB no obetu akọ join nzo akọ ya no nti local scene no transfers no afi na machas ya omu edin komo a ebi shape well ebi so kohas sounds of one of eye legonzi be for da bi mi finding aka on so me for onimbo ne boyi pa but allegation in the house 4% room ho na for me be 2 or 3 players with big room na enema kwedmas voka and also dey feel Bernard Ismailado of team friends say Heart of Lions Ismailado bizu ono so has so pe Abrante no so no so mra no me say akan von so kan transfers no pani egusu a teams no din kombo omodin ko yi pa so meet me bi na omso de room ho na ma bibia so ay kama ediama yen Luka Krabs me pay the way in the transfers ni stories ni koso no because maybe atwam no senka be hu a senka Kotoko go ekope players go ekope player na nka first visit for but as a this season transfer ni utien kuma teams ni dina as a most of them no most of their transfers no players ombo Premier League ni bi and there be am kaze so Kotoko ye has na say upe player edia ko ultima enke players a omo bo league ni biache omo nim league ni bo no me dem ye has book ni Kotoko enye ba bia na ekofa sa first business second business for ndo mba no eno nya Kotoko na has standard ombeba but omo ma results ahia they will come and play but omo ma the results ahia say in ka season be and obi adi league and nke Kotoko bia league nge has book but sa first business second business for ndo ba opani ombebo game na ma but so Magic League na ma no edu ba bia experience ni adwuma entine I like what they are doing say omo room to Premier League clubs na mu and on picking the best players are ombol mi eno be ma say who season as ya when na so be say baby enemo be dey kwa na due to experience players are be room to no eno betimi akọ na fi ozo atumi akọ League na ntie so ma chance here with buying players are ebo Premier League ni bi so betimi ni nkomo ni yama nkomo na aso ase amomde a na na bia next season e be hu say bia Kotoko has apart from say Kotoko Africa no league is they perform na enema nyina kama de moma enu se kakra ifi transfers ni mu no eba opani ye de ma atifo ni has na Kotoko omudi ngomo em say so far ha Kotoko na sign ba ko me betim goalkeeper no has Kotoko na wi on we sign de na wi a ena afi we jawuzu aba for Kotoko nduma sign 2 dia ka no isikasem ni nkomo ena ekoso ameso mitmenya those players no na afi omuso be room na menya kama okay Walid Nema of Insuate that player no say na matanges no Kotoko ni player ni din ko do achi pa na say has so about room
ya do Kumasi
ai
ya na do
Kumasi okay ya say has so na machi so
no ne dia na Maxwell wow Walid Nema
no Maxwell ya no say Maxwell ni Insuate no okay nti eno so dey oven ena Emmanuel Ankra from eno so Insuatres eno so ni Good Stars kasa eno coach from Manso so hiana Good Stars eno so continue Insuate players ne dey this year no ho na say utie yi a na has no Kotoko ba ko afaw because no mi obi akwa ne card nti ni aso akona akodi nkomo na afi ne manya no aye kama Michael Mpadu ene has fu ka wie ono so okọ Michael Mpadu on has we are no so free has because ni contract no ade na wu nti ono so ko compete in for na ne manya na kama nti transfers no asa say eboba nti as egusu ekoso na de beba na fi teams ne so bo bi a monnama mo ye models
okay is it there say did only has a we
likely likely by next week there confirmation beba say only has na ebe adwuma and I believe the has enya didi open here but minimum man baby obeko technical na so me okọ dia minim because and he also buy so be or buy so coach because at the time obana as book ni coach na as technical director but don't fancy coach so me adwuma and then he has a pay coach nti that say we are pushing to the top and now say bi o ka say bi adwuma no ono wajaye okọ na bibia kama nti coach offense so atara no oboni season na wi se edidi ba either so obeko and now say bi obeja tun so obeko technical director but has for now the question is here technical director na so mu here there the no need watara wi na atara so eko ago peti mu fro akwa edmo nti opani de ti na ozi izisen alaji
okay say eno ana na wo kan say
bofo no
Kate the destroyer onye game change
asadi no wasa niema Kate asa niema
so
asa niema
onye change
eno ohia baby na Ghana football do a say Ubo League no pani say Uji League we na prize money that's no wouldn't fanto players too krana and share how bad our league is not even buying players say ohia within the season no wins and outs o transfers are here in transportation are here so bo a year 17 Premier League away games are now as 17 Premier League away games it mean a win of the league you know and nika ebenanyam faso a na league na say because and this season be room so we has for could be say enka teams nyina this year has oni enka team Premier League ni mo Legon City score Accra Lions score in the Accra has one kind Dreams the Dreams Ninkan Dreams Western region in the has ni Premier League club will be a year Accra and but when they say has well travel outside Accra for 17 good games Bizarre says the house any league na season say house also for MZC can here 800 million has from a year has and can to Kumasi say has air boko kwa expense of bay in terms of transportation accommodation open only say 800 million.
Oh yeah.
And has sick on this season now so also for no and mean get for the game against Kotoko Kumasi. In the other 16 games now as we bowling now or winning now or say Togo Sika and the best edge in the league is all bonus a year I like I just say destroyer changer not meaning say obi start to me change idea says obi
say game changer to
destroyer changer
oh say game changer no club ko beti me isu game changer na dey ama no say cause obi change game two things either good or
bad in the no
a true game changer
destroy
but change the bad
and destroy and the change into destroy and cat man na ya kama
wa say no
I
is the one was say bibia
alaji was you
I say bibia
get man na ye but say kware wa mana tete aprokra and no kre and say mo high truth but you just will wear fence alaji go say kana and no ka check it no team so oji league now sky benya no season usika cowboy na etimi entmin tuya even 1/4 of sal Ghana boy league nima na league na bon 7 faso ni zu ye Premier League na bo no 7 faso ni zu say teams dey go for first visit players e so ti o mase oboka ego for players ba opani untimi ntoka
okay
and now one thing I say ye ha adwen kwan say ye teams no o mu nto players o ye teams dey nto players we say play be fi Ghana Premier League makwa no or as free agent ma say eye dey obi aba for Albert Amo of Kotoko striker no ma say dey obi aba $300,000 and aba no and the minimum say Kotoko be mana kwa na say bia Kotoko omuntu obi a okay so they will keep him and to keep na also say for players be integrate players na in this Kotoko ja it kwan at least unya best 4 but me adeba kwa na ham say obe your clubs to effort to players open enyo since we married not to players I think say motor right back and motor central defender for now two married at because almost say and you married right back wa Abraham defensive for squares any cover down enye they need to replace him central defense one Tokro da because I can't really Ghana Senzu It's a song no best show. And then Liverpool at from it. Unu score return. Okay, can upfront money a year add-ons now. Around 150 million pounds. But what was there? They need a player. Will beer. So many that plan be say wha a beer. Dealing with 20 link. So a wholesale players and from ye crowds into wholesale team. And a debate team. Who pump 40 at home for I'm a 40 be rumor. So it's a club now, you know. League na bonzikanim sky club enyan ka de be teams ni yezu a opam no akofaba nti da bia no e ka ne teams ni bo ense enei se na kwabna kan se FF ni se bi bag na Premier League ma enka league ye mo league Ghana ha because club ye nyes kan for run ni team club owners no onko for ojomu ska enfa me se teams o de run team ka ye mo league Ghana ha e bia ke be third division nenka Sunday special ne bobi ko fie za no bi ngebo because your clubs in Niska and a converse to players so almost say ka kono mo no in the league na say destroy changer was say nyema but ono baby na ono adu no e good for him because they were rising to a level bi a Ghana football baby adu no the highest etimi akono no so akodu hobi but the league na kasa no ye o ye fe president nkasa pa the league no and they are say and Bibia chosen Bibia so nchese in the kids be Ghana Premier League ni says is then open what is yes a sponsorship so until so company bia so in so be sponsor league no into next season acha be say 2-3 months no you be sample league no without a sponsor in the clubs no say 50 million Ghana is na 50,000 Ghana you dey so small no say ya for bia nka ho a uji league no eno na beje Otozu 4 for 80,000, Otozu 5 for 70,000, and be just for until say benya sponsor. And baby a league ni kwanza na league ni you know. Obi company bi asu no this guy be room. Because it's attractive. Ya kupole. Ya have to know who you okuno. Onipa no okun na ennam Ghana asu yehu no. And now swag muzo ma ye as a the BB fan award and na yere kwaji ye. Obeko say dem ni bodu okunu kunu justice yense voda ye bo liga amanfo ekopaka onukura body Ura Stadium ekotu boabo nkrofo say league no nya sponsor club world cup ye bo just a month udi obehu say ye wi abehu ska clubs ni be even South African clubs ekwe abehu ska no ba
okay
in the year boni ben kwa na Ghana Premier League ya ye bo league ne de bia nya sponsor ye bo league de bia nyema nko ye bo league na nothing changes. And I say, then a former neighbor a performs because you need a proper managers are on managing league, you know. In the Alaji, do can run your league, you know. Okay. From game changer to the switch and I say, and then sounds very big.
Okay. 95.5 as we be me phone line at 2 and if you Ghana for so I come my drink kakra e hodomo na ya hwe se de nema esi eko nti ye kana ye cheche wacho ntimi line no enche maybe e dey atum show number to 0596900046 and then liar obetimi afra faso na so abekire wadwen awie ewo jumadi
boss edinaba uboguma hene nana usu ampe out osumiensa the third
okay
nana usu ampe the third enafi uboguma hema nana afia poku otosumienu
okay
enti omo ene eye ubogu atankunya ena jumadi no omo aso asne a omo bonti njakese nkoma eye
omahene obogu ene
omahema
okay ebusami bia me line na to Ghana for nchire omadwen Presbyterian Senior High School Elbon Pata former big boss ede be presec omo 60th anniversary official launching no ebetodwa on the 5th of next month 5th and ebetodwa na me ba be ka ho asem de a chere me fa course no kakra na Ghana for so chere omadwen. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Jabam kwa nti o.
What's that? You me kan say ha omo modiana Sackers, common sense, Sackers, it's a Sackers, the problem. Into your Modian and San Sackers. And our Kuso, Stella, that's all. Okay, after your enemy.
Oh, so to the time I'm showing.
Okay, the time I saw the Pamtel Mumban. Why? Okay. That's it. And Yanko Ponya Juma.
Okay, me that's no adrenaline shout there about 0596900046. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Andy G.
Yes, sir.
As I can have a
Mammy too.
Andy, me bacho. You see, Saro. Na, you have to look at you. Who just from a one who a jacket, no confidence, no castella, no more. Now, only now, keep to 5-6 years. And I'm going to Africa. Now, I said, yeah, but for people, some and science, I am at and you bet me, Ubiama competition to get the Mamelodi Sundowns, and you need to pay my Zimbi Mubuyana. As I was Mokafana, now all people players like a crack. Now, you know, you can't say, you're watching it, maybe. I don't know if it's happening in Lugan.
That's no adrenaline shout there about 0596900046. Maybe me line at Tumuti Uba now so watch what dream every or a hodom. Private Senior High School at Tomatomia. On the 5th of July, and 60th anniversary, launching on Ebetudra. Our bell launching on 5th of July. Our school no assembly hall hope and on bell launching. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Bachelor.
The DD to me was a Dutch thing. Obi on my family, we are planning to display. Because it's a telephone coming.
Okay, but that's a pa come so for a chiamo. We and so ewo e hodomo. Enti the TNSM penifo kukudam na eba lunch no and so asibi. Guest honorable Kwekwa Sante Boatin, Santachim South MP, honorable Mesa for appear. MC so eba den Dr. Amankra Kwame appear. Original Director of Education, and as Santachim South, Miss Elizabeth Davis, and so Eba den Santachim South Education Director, and so no special guest or my hin or pattern ifa painting or pattern nana, and so Eba leaders outdoor baby penniform way Sedgman de so headmaster Mr. Clifford Adu Diabene, and assistant headmistress of academics Mrs. Cecilia Frempong. And a chaplain, Reverend Derek Opon, our Monina, air board, you made in a face, no, say Nikomu, and name Penifao, almost some air boy in Nanti. I don't do me, all students in official lunch and Yanko support it, now lunch and also any crabbershe. Until on the 5th of July, Bompata President in High School Moana, 60th anniversary, no lunch, Basuhure, 60 years, and be presec, and so, etime, enya some ketuakra. Etine a kakoto consemne. Na ye ka koto konsem ne pa it is 0596900046 and elaya ofreba also betimi aka wadwen na Ghana for nyina so etimi ate wonka ewo ehoroma bie me line atum se Ghana for nka say league na ba wieye say ye train champion of champions na ye hu say ye wie bibia na congress enso atodwa na afenhye ye ho ne ade nyina so no etimi abaso na yakoyenim enso ewo ehoroma tie no ene de eba yedema yeti for ewo hodomo plant well fertilizer and sunya bia oyekwani a ebeboa opa plant well fertilizer fertilizer oko new age agrochemicals on sabetimi aka plant well fertilizer na bibia enso akoso ede amount ewo hodomo a ye cheche mu enso ede ama yeti for ewo hodomo to plant well fertilizer de bro fruit outdoor and morning vegetables outdoor no plant well fertilizer na betimi aboa oye pa ewo hodoma ye dey ma IO483 enterprise for that roma almost boa ewie ne den kobo no enso buy na on the 6th of July and Joyce May fashion a Thanksgiving service and so ebeba so on the 6th of July Joyce May fashions the Thanksgiving service ebeba so Mount Calvary Presbyterian Church odra so was saying Joyce May the nyamia sepa se e ma me so da so etia senti yes ko basa de na se tailors ne simtres for ni na no aseda no e ko de ama wo na se som kese pa ene de ma even se una fofo ne bebre wo omuti una kai ma me fa call la wi hansana ma cheche ofa ya je so pomboko
we ya ofa me hoye ma be sama ni mo hoje mframa kakra
okay
ene de ma pomboko Justice Brew, why you yet here and say, it does say, Mammy, I want to know of us here. ayi Africa mo be ko ni hia yin o mo players and who have players yaho. And so I almost so many of them. Now, a few idiots, yeah, man, between fires out. One can't tell. I feel it's between fires, so any can you
okay, Ofa.
I the same symbol for my quarter to Mr. Bruce in Nimua, when we were saying, I didn't ever say, we trade me at a point and I went one up. I didn't do a cookie no more flat. Mate, that's it's no. Ishajaba Center for that room so create mu memedre de pim the new best man capsules sunya be bebo St. Gabriel's Credit Union for account de woman no mon to kese do mutimi mu Sky Net Satellite for Adaroma the code home common say o mo afi usual Ben non musical enterprise why Ben man chia we sabi obi atmo obi TV let's say Jehovah Nissi Information Center ye chia mo pa dwumadi ne live and Khaled and so how obi TV o pecheche PKK pecheche Jehovah Nissi for ye chia mo pa Information Center ba kwa o PKK almost boy juma pa omo fire programs ni nyina anti ewie chia omo nyina PKK for nyina chia mo ye chia papa enti why Ben Information Center for mo cables mo amplify speakers ni ade nyina no microphones nyina moko GB why Ben ho ne papam ene idi adanse no so e de amamo a moko amonsa beka bi Asundwe Venture said the car ties na ba dwaso na be hu yen Offset Fast Wave Organizing Service e o dwaso Speed Ramsons first one pe ho na obehu yese so ye wo na fe forza Herbal Center the bamba babam so aba bonsaka bia honam ya obedwane ahotuto nyina abeko bamba babam e de no Franconel Phones and Accessories for Techi and adwumade de ba phone papa de the ho and no de aba phone bia won master nti the master pa de Franconel Phones and Accessories ho and so ko phone papa kono kimpo building ye ne ko praso rural bank na wodan kroma phone de won sabetimi aka bi e ho no baba Herbal Center the column herbal powder ba ayemfi onko yi bibia ntwe yi untimi na untimi ni de a column herbal powder na betimi abo papa forward ever backwards never human bro factory bros papa de ye ne de ma Nature Smile Dental Clinic esen ho adwuma de omo ye expert see entu sen ye ma ekwan a osen no yebetimi aye cleaning ye be whitening osen kaka na ha oni ade ani nyina no Nature Smile Dental Clinic for de betimi ahwe ni ye de ama pa omo ye expert omo ni achi omo konogo Lady Diana na obetimi hu omo fidwa so na ekwa outside Lady Diana Junction kakra bia filling station na omo sine foforo ne so no be say signboard no bo ha obia ehwe ne sen ehwe nanum enso ewo ehodoma ye de e ma say Nature Smile Dental Clinic omo ye adwuma pa ye nchi omo wie ewo hodom to nchi herbal capsules no so bi wo ha on saka bia e bebo pa bia ba pa anti mo mo hia to nchi ni nyina no mo mra na mo begemo de Black Man ewo subua Black Man to nchi ni nam kwan so a eno so e ba anti ma ye nchi pa ewo subua Black Man of Black Man Sport nti eno nkomo enso no na Emetra Herbal Center Amakon Royal Ventures enso enie open papa dia Amakon Royal Ventures ina ebetimi abo pass Antiachimra Bank Limited Togbe Kidnapper Herbal and Spiritual Center sunsumu yade honam ne yare de Asante Achimatwe de ho na yibutu a wo de ha obi aba yibutu ase enso e de amount ewo ehonom Ekach Educational Fund so 2 years ne musishemu no edos niam ewum dos pa capacity building say forms ne de omo anya nipa na omo pani nyina nti se de hian se bia untimi en report that day na normal bia kofa form no man penifo so ate na ntentem ya sa probi na hyem na etimi aye kama e honoma aye Mr. Eric Amufa na daroma na dwumadi nyina so education obo ase bibia betimi akoso Providence FK for so ni ya rebia how bia de ko down mo a omo de betu ase ama ho enso etimi ato ewo ehodoma ye ka ho asemti show no ye de ba na wie ya anisa ewo hodomti on the 6th of July na ye kwa kujaye ma me Joyce May na Thanksgiving na abaso den na ya hwenti Joyce May of Joyce May Fashion Lead Coast Fashion na rekwa wiki na only Evans ke arrange any Evans na all listing na Tailors and Sim Trades Association. No. Me ana me kai o mu na.
Ebiano abonzi.
Madam. Me ana me share free my market Joyce me be one e kwa kuja na sorry nti.
Se minim de nti asase won.
Joyce May wo ho Joyce May no on na ye kwa kuja na sorry ono din na say body kind dia kan mu na munima won be to
and let go so to aso
let go so Joyce May nche one day me no ba ka say bisa
Madam Latifa
okay
eso wo ye dwaso SHS opsito
okay
yes Madam Latifa so ho
okay
na aba Madam Aduchumwa Y Johnson
Madam Aduchumwa Y Johnson
yes Y Johnson na opposite MBP office no and also Madam Regina and Madam Asanto na come amamfo bi Madam Asanto aso ho
okay
opposite MBP office no and afi rekwa as opposite hospital ewo Johnson na yan brother control eso to aso ho
okay
control so ewo ye rekwa ho anti sana upon the line
okay and so we kasa woni mu a woni ki na munim listening nyina
nti enche mu nyina
onkwala nyina so
enche ankware nyina kwan ka kem na minim rekwa ho lizimo ne omo ho lizinam nim ni din na oba so aso a let go so onzo Ernestina blessing mo yewo Deborah Mozo yes Deborah Davis Mo
Papa Rachel so nimme
some enter me press me mind
oh okay
some as the emanya ju tu
omunimo say unwa ne Papa Rachel unimme unya kabi ni okay diabsia yes sorry so my PAPARICH the hottest driver abeto so and some the hottest driver in town I could drive no and so eba beto so ne fia de bibia won bi